In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove ads from Yahoo Mail. If you've ever found yourself distracted by those pesky ads while checking your Yahoo emails, you're in the right place. By the end of this quick guide, you'll know exactly how to significantly cut down on the ads you see, allowing for a more pleasant and streamlined email experience. First things first, let's get started by logging into Yahoo Mail. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Yahoo login page. Once there, you'll want to start by entering your username in the designated field. Remember, this should be the email address associated with your Yahoo account. After you've entered your username, go ahead and click on the Next button. This will take you to the password screen, so carefully type in your password. Once you're sure you've entered it correctly, click Next again. This step is vital as it allows you access to your inbox, where the unwanted ads usually reside and where we can start addressing them. Now that you're logged into your Yahoo Mail account and can see your inbox, direct your attention to the right side of the page. This area is typically where Yahoo displays ads to its users. You might notice them along the sidebar or even popping up amidst your mail. To begin removing an ad, you'll want to look for an X icon usually located at the top corner of the ad. Click on this icon, which will bring up a small menu with some options. Among these options, you'll see one that says, Dislike this ad. By clicking on it, you let Yahoo know that you'd rather not see that specific ad anymore. There's also another helpful option you might consider selecting, which is Stop seeing this ad. While this may not eliminate all ads permanently, it can certainly reduce the frequency of similar ads appearing in your inbox. By taking these steps, you're actively communicating your preferences to Yahoo, thereby contributing to a more personalized and less cluttered browsing experience. Keep in mind, while you might still encounter the occasional advertisement, consistently applying these steps whenever a new ad appears should greatly diminish their presence. This straightforward approach will help you maintain a cleaner, more focused email interface. Now, you can dedicate your attention to the emails that truly matter to you without unnecessary distractions. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to keep your Yahoo Mail ads to a minimum. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.